How to remove watermark from video for free. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to remove watermark from video for free. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, you just need to have a browser on your device. You can do this on your phone and also on your computer. So let's head over to my browser, which is Google Chrome, and let's search for media.io. So let's search for it, and as you can see, there's a lot of AI tools that you can try, but for now let's try this watermark remover. So click on upload a video right here and upload a video. So as you can see, it will process, so let's just wait for it. Then after that, what we can do is to try to click on the standard model, then add an area that we want to remove the watermark into. So for example, that area is this for me. So let's try to remove this watermark right here. So you can see this duration right here. I will just remove the watermark from start to finish. And then once you're satisfied with everything, just click on the export right here. So as you can see on the video right here, the watermark has been removed from this area, and we can now just click on download to be able to download it. So just click on download and it will start downloading. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to remove watermark from video for free. So if you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.